There are many phone apps that can help you to create content for social media. Here are a few popular options, and you'll find the links to all of them in the description below this video. Canva is a graphic design app that allows you to create a wide range of designs, including social media graphics, posters, and business cards. On the app, you can select social media at the top, and you can select what kind of post or ad, as well as cover, you're looking to design. There are thousands of pre-made templates you can use. You can upload your own images to these designs to make them even further bespoke for your pub, and you can change the colours, fonts, and also the sizing of those graphics to make them work for different platforms. To download the design, once you're happy with it, simply press the download button on the top right-hand side of the app, and this will save to your camera roll. The next app is Photoshop Express. It's a photography app designed to enhance the photos you take on your smartphone. So you can crop, brighten, and add filters to your existing images, giving them a higher quality feel for social media. Again, just simply click the download button on the top right-hand side of the app to save your brightened images to your camera roll. InShot is a video editing app that allows you to create and edit videos for social media. It offers a range of features, such as the ability to change the shape of your video to suit different platforms. You can add text, such as captions, filters, and you have access to a royalty-free music library, which you can add different tracks to your videos. You can also do quite straightforward things like layer clips together or trim video clips too. Unfold is a brilliant template app which creates really stylized templates for things like Instagram stories and reels. So have a scroll through to get some inspiration about how you might put together some photos and videos into an animated graphic for your Instagram feed. There are quite a few free templates, but there are also a number of pro ones available for those subscribing to the paid app Unfold Plus. And Later is a social media scheduling app that allows you to plan and schedule posts for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can schedule your content in for selected times and dates, and then you can visualize your feed before you post it, helping you to create a great Instagram aesthetic. Overall, there are many phone apps available to help you create great content for social media. Choose the apps that best meet your needs and start creating.